Hi, I'm Doug Holmes and I own Pinnacle Roofing and Restoration in Grand Island, Nebraska. We've been using the iRoofing program for a little over a year now, and it's been an absolute game changer. When we're able to sit down at the table with our customers, we're able to pull out the iRoofing report, and it really impresses them that we've done our homework as far as finding out how much material we're going to need and the square footage of the property, especially when we're going up against other competitors and all they've done is come out, got up on the roof, taken a look at the roof inspection, and done their measurement the old-fashioned way. Recently, the small town of Utica, Nebraska was hit with a hailstorm, and one of our clients had multiple properties, a little over 30, and we were contacted and they wanted us to go ahead and get the ball rolling as soon as possible to get them back to pre-storm conditions. Well, through the iRoofing program, we were able to do our measurements on all 30 plus properties within a day. Whereas if we went the traditional route where we had to go out and do an actual physical inspection on the roofs, measure them all up, it probably would have taken several days, if not the entire week. So we were actually able to mobilize, get those properties rolling, and get them back to pre-storm conditions in record time. Customer was ecstatic about that. It's a very professional program. We love it. We'll use it for as long as we can. So absolutely keep it up, iRoofing team. We appreciate everything that you do. Your customer service is fantastic. Using the reports to actually figure up our production and order our materials has been just a breeze. So couldn't be happier with the product. Thank you very much. Again, this is Doug Holmes with Pinnacle Roofing and Restoration in Grand Island, Nebraska.